America was built by opportunity and innovation. And at ILLUMUS, our BAA products are forged by the same values. Hi, I'm Neil Juergen, CEO at ILLUMUS, and I'm proud to show you our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility headquartered right here in Sanford, Florida, where over 65% of our ILLUMUS products come to life, from ideation to production. At ILLUMUS, when you buy BAA, you can be sure you're getting high-quality products made with integrity. Our products are conceptualized here with our product management and engineering teams. Once we have a product identified, our engineering team goes to work, drafting initial concepts, producing prototypes, conducting extensive performance tests, and reviewing every fine detail to ensure the product is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Our CNC machines punch the metal components out of raw material sheets. Flat pieces are formed into housing components with CNC brakes before they head to the assembly lines where electrical components are installed and wired together. 100% of our products are inspected and tested for functionality before being packaged for shipment to our customers. Innovation starts with an idea, and we are thrilled to watch our BAA product ideas come to life right here in Florida at our Sanford facility. With over 40 comprehensive BAA product families in ILLUMUS's portfolio, making up thousands of SKUs and growing every year, you'll be sure to find a product to meet your project needs. Learn more about our BAA offering by visiting our brand's websites or contacting your local sales representative today.